In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see who viewed your TikTok profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app and then go to your profile. After that, tap at these three lines, select Settings and Privacy, then tap at Privacy, scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find Profile Views option. As you can see, now it is turned off. We can tap right here, and first of all we need to turn it on. To do that, tap at that toggle button, and as long as this option turned on, it allows you to see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days, and it allows others to see that you viewed their profiles. After that, we can go to our TikTok profile, and then to check who viewed our profile, we just need to tap at that icon next to three lines, and what that will do, that will show you the users who viewed your profile in the last 30 days. Keep in mind that it shows you just users who visited your profile while the option we have recently turned on was activated. That's how you can easily see who viewed your TikTok profile.